Dear learners, how are you feeling today? Hope feeling good and doing well. Come on, let us discuss about algebraic expressions. Grade 7 Mathematics. Already you know variable, what is meant by variable, all this, right? Let us see. We use letters x, y, l, m, etc. to denote variables. A variable can take various values. Its value is not fixed. The variable value is not fixed. Its value varies. On the other hand, a constant has a fixed value. Examples of constants are 4, 100, minus 17, etc. Here, whatever value we say, it is fixed. It is not more than or less than, something like that. So, we say constant has a fixed value. An expression which are formed separately first and then added are known as terms. Okay, so based on the symbol plus we say terms. Okay, an expression which are formed separately first and then we see only addition or addition only, not subtraction. Look at the expression 4x square minus 3xy. We say that it has two terms, 4x square and minus 3xy. So two terms are there. 4x square is one term, minus 3xy is another term. Okay, the terms 4x square is a product of 4x and x, and the term minus 3xy is a product of minus 3x and y. These three are, isn't it? These three are factors. 4x and x are factors. The terms 4x square and minus 3xy are added to give the expression. Added to give the expression 4x square minus 3xy. This is because 4x square plus minus 3xy, which is equal to 4x square minus 3xy. So here we consider only plus sign. The minus sign is included in the term. In the term itself, we have to include the minus sign. In the expression 4x square minus 3xy, we took the term as minus 3xy, not as 3xy. Okay, so minus sign is included as a term. That is why we do not need to say that the terms are added or subtracted to form an expression. We just say added is enough. Okay, the terms are added is enough. Okay, so terms are separated by addition symbol. Here you see the factor tree 4x square minus 3xy. 4x square can be written 4xx. Minus 3xy can be written minus 3xy. They are factors. The terms are 4x square and minus 3xy. The expression is 4x square minus 3xy. Hope you understand. The same way, another expression 4xy plus 10, not 5xy plus 10. Here 5xy is 5 is a factor, x is a factor, y is a factor. So 5xy are factors. 10 is a term. If you consider for a factor also, just 10 only we can see. Okay, but terms are 2. The terms 4x square is a product of 4x and x. Again we are saying, here we say that 4x and x are the factors of the terms of the term 4x square. Altogether 4x square we say product, the each one we say factors. The term is a product of its factors. Product of its factors. The term minus 3xy is a product of the factors minus 3x and y. Product of the factors minus 3x and y. Okay. The numerical factor is said to be the numerical coefficient or simply the coefficient of the terms. Term we say. What we say? Numerical coefficient we say, or just we say coefficient of the term. Okay, number is there, that's why numerical coefficient. If number is not there, just we say coefficient, or simply we say coefficient. The word coefficient is used in a more general way. Thus, we say that in the term 5xy, 5 is coefficient of xy, x is coefficient of 5y, y is the coefficient of 5x. Hope you understand how we are stating what is coefficient. in 10xy square. Here 10 is the coefficient of xy square, x is the coefficient of 10y square, y is the coefficient of y square is the coefficient of 10x. Okay, hope you understand. Here is the same way, the tabular column is there, xy plus 4. Here xy numerical coefficient is 1. Likewise, here you see, let us find the coefficient of x. For x alone we have to see 4x coefficient is 4, minus x the coefficient is minus 1, y square x the coefficient is y square, minus 5xz the coefficient is minus 5z. So excluding x, what are the factors are there with the x, that we say coefficient. The same way here y, minus 3y coefficient is minus 3, yz coefficient is z, yz square coefficient is z square, my coefficient is m. Hope you understand what we say coefficient. Based on the variable what we choose, with that what factor is that we say coefficient. So in terms and identify terms and factors in the given expression. Minus 4x plus 5. The terms are minus 4x and 5. The factors are minus 4, x and 5. Okay, for first question. Look at the same things here. Terms are minus 4x and 5. Factors are minus 4, x and 5. See the next question. Next question is what? Minus solution for next question. Minus 4x plus 5y. Here minus 4x and 5y. Both are two terms. Minus 4x 5y or factors. Okay, for first term minus 4 and x factors. For second term 5 and y are factors. Okay, hope you got it. Next you see pq plus q. The terms are pq is a term and q is another term. The factors for first term is p and q. Factor for second term is just q. Okay, so the factors are p, q and q. Okay, you see the next 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. The terms are three terms. 1.2 AB is a term, minus 2.4 B is a term, 3.6 is a term. The factors are 1.2 A, B for first term factors, minus 2.4 B or second term factors, and so on. Here are few questions. You can do it yourself. So the terms and factors by tree diagrams. So use tree diagrams and make it like this. Identify terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. You can do it yourself. So you have to see for x alone. For example, first question, y square x plus y. So for x, what is the coefficient? Y square. That's all. Other term no need to consider. Okay. The terms are y square x is a term and y is a term. So same way here. Identify terms which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. Okay. Here minus x y square. In that coefficient is minus x. There are two terms, x and minus x y square. Okay. Hope you understand how to find factors, terms and coefficient in this video. Share this video to your friends. For more videos, you can subscribe this channel. You can give your variable comments too. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.